Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Saudara Al-Fajri bin Abdullah, saya nikahkan adik kandung saya Siti Maisarah binti Zainal Abidin untukmu dengan mahar 2 lumayan emas tunai.
Saya terima nikah Siti Maisarah binti Zainal Abidin adik kandung saudara untuk saya dengan mahar 2 lumayan emas tunai.
Marry your daughter and make her my wife. I want her to be the only girl that I love for the rest of my life, and give her the best of me till the day that I die. Yeah, I'm gonna marry a princess and make her my queen. She'll be the most beautiful bride that I've ever seen. I can't wait to smile when she walks down the aisle on the arm of her father, on the day that I marry your daughter.